Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Y'all might not know this, but I live in an RV full time. This is actually the front of my travel trailer. It used to be a bunkhouse and I cut it all out and turned it into a ham radio studio, ham shack type setup for y'all. The latest addition that I did was putting in this solar charge controller with 2 solar panels mounted up on the roof. There's always something going on here, but it does make it very hard for me to get things in the mail, and my address on QRZ goes to a mail service in Texas. I recently did a mail haul for everything that was in my Texas address. I got a bunch of QSO cards, thank you for sending all of those in, and I also got a box from John, and I want to share that with you because I opened up one of them and I was like, oh, you guys are going to want to see this. So let's get over to the workbench and I will show you what was in the box. I got a little note in the box here. This is John from Colorado and he got approval to be a Pota vendor. So there's going to be some Pota gear in here. And this is the one that I opened up at first. This is a water bottle. It ain't nobody's fool water bottle. It says Parks on the Air. It is thick painted, laser engraved CQ Pota, my call sign KM9G, and a nice Rocky Mountain landscape there. Parks on the Air. And the bottle itself is made by Polar Camel. And does it say what size it is? It doesn't say what size it is. But let's open it up. There is a straw in there, and it is one of those thermal insulated deals, so it will keep your cold stuff cold and your hot stuff hot. And it has a spill-proof lid on it. So I thought this was pretty nice looking, and it is the absolute proper color of red. Look at that. That's a good match. All right, there were a couple of other things. This one here says coasters. Let's take a look. There we go. Parks on the Air, KM9G, and that is, looks like it's laser etched. Leatherette, leather, I don't know. Yep, can't tell. And a nice mountain type scene there. And then this one here, I have seen this kind of coaster a couple of times. I have a couple of these already, so it's going to add to my collection, but it's got some nice feet to give it some standoff. And then it is also etched and looks pretty good. I like it. And this one here says opener. And I don't know if that's tag or what. His handwriting is just as good as mine is. Aha. So there we go. It is a bottle opener, bartender's tool. You see this in the back pocket of the bartenders. I don't know why you're looking at their back pockets, but there it is. If I would have known that this was in here, I would have gone and gotten a frosty beverage to test it out. But I don't have a frosty beverage to test it out because I already drank my last one for the day. KM9G, CQ Pota, leather covered handle, stitched on. Looks like it's stainless steel or brushed aluminum. It's hard to tell with just what I got going on here. I guess if I had a magnet I could tell, but that's pretty nice. And then this here is a name tag keychain. Nice. And it's got my name and my QTH. This is that shipping address I was telling you about that I have in Texas. And again, it is the right color of red. That is awesome. CQ Pota, Parks on the Air logo, etched leather again. Fantastic. I wanted to share these with you. I will leave a link in the description down below where you can get some more info on this stuff. That's pretty awesome stuff. Thank you, John, for sending that in. I definitely have a use for just about every single one of those things. I am on a mission to get 100,000 subscribers this year, and you can help. Down below the video, there is a subscribe button. Subscribing is free, doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me reach my goal. If you would like to throw some coin my way for helping out with these videos, there is a join button right next to that where you can join the channel and help me keep putting out fantastic ham radio content and sharing gear like this with you, because I know you're going to want that keychain because that's my favorite one out of the whole bet. In the meantime, there is a video right here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.